Hey, what's up everybody? It's John from Skill Hub, and I'm hyped to talk to you about making that money work for you. Millionaire's mentor Warren Buffett made his first stock investment at age 11, and by 30, he was a millionaire. What if could start building that kind of wealth today, even with just $100? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. We're diving deep into the world of investing, breaking it down step by step, so even if you've never looked at a stock ticker before, you'll be ready to jump in. And trust me, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart choices today that set you up for massive success in the long run. Let's get it. Before you even think about buying your first stock or downloading a trading app, we need to lay down some serious groundwork. In investing, that foundation is your financial goal. Ask yourself, what are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Are you saving up for a down payment on your dream house? Maybe you're dreaming of early retirement and traveling the world. Or perhaps you just want to build a safety net so you have financial security. Having a clear goal isn't just some motivational mumbo-jumbo, it's crucial for staying focused. Trust me, the stock market is going to have its ups and downs, and when things get volatile, it's your goal that's going to keep you on track, keep you invested, and stop you from making emotional decisions. Think of it like this: your goal is your financial North Star. It guides your investment decisions, helps you determine how much risk you're comfortable taking, and most importantly, keeps you motivated for the long haul. So before you move on to the next chapter, take some time to really define your financial goal. Write it down, make it tangible, and let it fuel your investment journey. So you've got your financial goals locked in. Congrats! Now let's address the misconception that investing is only for the wealthy. That's a big fat myth, my friends. You don't need to be rolling in dough to get started in the stock market. Remember Warren Buffett? Started at 11 years old, didn't need a trust fund to build his empire. This is the beauty of investing in today's world. You can literally start with pocket change. There are tons of apps out there, Robinhood, Fidelity, Stash, just to name a few, that let you buy fractional shares. That means you can own a tiny piece of even the most expensive companies like, say, Apple or Tesla, for as little as $10. Think of it like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. You still get to enjoy the flavor, but you're not breaking the bank. And just like that pizza, your small investment can grow over time. The key is to be consistent. Treat it like a bill you pay yourself every month. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Time to demystify this whole stock market thing. It might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's not rocket science. In a nutshell, stocks are like tiny pieces of ownership in a company. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite company is like a giant pizza, and when you buy stock, you're buying a slice of that pizza. If the company does well, maybe they invent a self-saucing pizza box or something, then the value of the whole pizza goes up, including your slice. That's how you make money in the stock market. Of course, if the company doesn't do so well, maybe their pineapple pizza flops, then the value could go down. That's the risk you take as an investor. But here's the thing. Over the long term, the stock market tends to go up. That's why it's so important to invest for the long haul and not panic every time the market dips. So, do your research, choose companies you believe in, and remember, investing in the stock market is like owning a slice of the future. You're clear on your goals, you're ready to invest, and you understand the basics of the stock market. Awesome. Now, the big question, what should you actually invest in? For beginners, I always recommend starting with ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs like a pre-built diversified portfolio in a neat little package. Instead of buying stock in just one company, when you buy an ETF, you're investing in a basket of stocks. This could be a collection of companies in a specific industry like technology or healthcare, or it could track a broader market index like the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest companies in the US. The beauty of ETFs is that they offer instant diversification, which basically means you're spreading your risk across multiple investments instead of putting all your eggs in one basket. Plus, ETFs are super beginner-friendly. They're easy to buy and sell on just about any brokerage platform, and they typically have lower fees compared to other types of investments. And for most beginners, ETFs are a fantastic place to start. We've covered a lot of ground, but this last chapter is crucial. We're going to talk about the real secret sauce of investing, the magic of compounding. This is how you turn small, consistent investments into serious wealth over time. Imagine you invest $100, and it earns you a 10% return in the first year. That's $10 in profit. Now, instead of pocketing that $10, you reinvest it. So now you have $110 working for you. The next year, you earn another 10%, but this time, it's on $110, not $100. The more you reinvest your earnings, the more you have working for you. and the faster your money grows exponentially. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it picks up more snow, it grows bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's the power of compounding. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, and the more you benefit from the magic of compounding. So make a commitment to reinvest your profits, be patient, and watch as your wealth snowballs over time. So, there's your beginner's guide to investing in the stock market. 5 simple steps to get you started. You don't need to be rich or a genius, you just need to take that first step. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If you love this, hit that like button. It means the world to us. And subscribe for more money-making tips every week. Oh, and don't miss our video on 5 rookie investing mistakes to avoid right here. What's your next move, starting with $10 or researching your first stock? Tell me below and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep growing, Skill Hub fam.